Hey guys, Sam here from KeyCommerce.com. In this video, you're going to learn how to fix the invalid or required attribute sale price error in Google Merchant Center Next. This stops your products from showing in Google Shopping and free listings, which means no sales, no profits for these products. You're seeing this error because the sale price in your product data on Google Merchant Center doesn't match what's on your website. So I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this right now. Let's get into it. First, log in to your Google Merchant Center account. On the left-hand menu, click on Products and then click on Needs Attention. Here, you'll see all your disapprovals and warnings. Also, here are the products with the invalid sales price. Now, for this specific error, here's what you need to do. First, check the landing pages of the affected products on your website. Make sure the sale prices on your product pages match what's in your product feed and are lower than the regular prices. If you spot any differences, update your product sale price in your online store. To do this, just find the same product in your store, add the sale price in its field, and save your changes. You should only adjust prices if you're absolutely sure they won't change. Let's take a quick example using Shopify. Start by clicking on Products from the left-hand menu on the homepage. Next, choose the products you want to add or change the sales price to. Find the pricing section and add your product sales price there. Don't forget to click Save once you're done. Make sure the prices are listed in the currency of your target country to avoid confusing your customers. After you've added your prices, Google will crawl your pages again. If it sees the updated price on your landing page, the disapproval should be removed within 24 to 48 hours. Your products will reappear on Google Shopping. And that's it. You've just fixed the disapproval and updated your product. Make sure to check out our other videos. This one here might be especially useful for you.